I believe this is number 17. I hope you're enjoying the series. Like I said in the past, I did build for other people. If you're interested, my email will be in the description and we'll discuss the price, what I charge, and also, yeah, for members that want to join the membership on my channel, uh, I will be doing a lot of how-tos, and the only people that have access to that would be the members only. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so this has to go right in here. Oh, like that. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh. And that screw goes in the air. Right there. Oh, of course, it's not gonna fit. Or is it? It seems like it's tightening. So there we go. So the back part is on. That. So this could just be a short video. Um, so the back tire is on, as you can see. Uh, the hoses I will hook up offline. I'm gonna have to touch up the pink again a little bit because with fingers being on it, it rubs off. Well, it's full coat paint, so it doesn't stay on for very long. But anyways, that's it for now, and we'll talk to you all later. Shit, that broke off again. Well, I have to fix that. I'll fix that up to Brooklyn. Don't worry about it. But I'll fix that. But that's it for now. Talk to you all later. Bye.